Hey, welcome to another video, guys. Today we're going to install the Axleback exhaust. We're going to start by jacking up the car and putting it on jack stands, and then we'll follow up by removing the old exhaust and cutting the holes on the stock diffuser and installing the new exhaust. Stay tuned to the video, guys. I'm going to show you a before and after sound of the exhaust. Here are the tools that you might need. These offset box wrenches came in really handy. It made the job a lot easier. These ratchet combo wrench made it really easy to remove the old nuts. The crow's foot helped break one of the nuts. Grease for the new rubber grommets, Dremel, tape, the file to file the plastic, and tape to tape it up and mark it and cut it and measure it, and the WD-40 to lube it up, remove the old one easily. I also forgot I used anti-seize for the threads for the exhaust, that the bolts that bolt the exhaust together down there, because most likely I'll never touch the exhaust again unless I change it, which I probably won't. So the anti-seize will keep it from rusting so it won't break on you, and then also if you want to remove it, it will be easy to remove. Alright, I'm doing the exhaust, taking out the old bolts right here. These two inner ones were easy. They're 14mm on the back side, but this one was really tough. This back one, I had to use a box wrench and a crow's foot. So I had to use a combination of this offset box wrench and the crow's foot to help break it loose, some PP blaster, and this ratchet combination flex head ratchet. Alright, got one out. Now I gotta get the other one out. The other exhaust. Had to use WD-40 to lubricate these rubber grommets to hold it up. But got it out. Alright, got them both out. Just have to use a lot of WD-40. Just get these rubber things to get it lubed up so it slips out. Next, I'm gonna have to make this hole wider so I can fit my quad tip exhaust, and then we'll see. Alright, so I got the old one out next to the new one. The old exhaust is 14.6 pounds and the new one is 9.6 pounds, if y'all are wondering. So significant, 5 pounds lighter. Alright, it's ready to cut the stock diffuser. I taped it, marked it, got my Dremel. I'm gonna cut it and we'll see what happens. Alright, second one cut. This one I cut a lot better. like. It sounds really good. The sound does not do it justice in the video clips. It sounds pretty awesome in my opinion. It looks really good. I love the way it looks. It sounds great, and it's pretty cheap. Highly recommend these Axleback muffler delete exhausts. So yeah, I really like this exhaust. Sounds perfect. Sounds exactly what I wanted. I can feel the difference in power, throttle response, and it sounds great. It's the best bang for your buck. $260, can't beat that. I don't understand why people get the other brand names like Nvidia and Army Tricks, all that. It's like $1,000 to $3,000, and I mean maybe those sound a little different, but I mean it's very minimal. It's that's a $3,000 difference. I don't think it's worth it, especially the Nvidia exhaust. Like, why would you remove the stock muffler and put a new muffler in that's shinier and looks a little better? That doesn't make any sense to me. Yeah, if you're thinking about getting this exhaust, I highly recommend it. It's well worth it. It's less restrictive because when you delete the muffler, the exhaust is less restrictive. It just goes straight out instead of being muffled, and that's why the throttle response is better. I have almost like no turbo lag now with this setup, with all the mods total. Like, I almost have no turbo lag, because a lot of people complaining with this car with the turbo lag. The exhaust alone with the cold air intake, and then the turbo muffler delete and the charge pipe, all four of those, you have like almost no turbo lag. But yeah, this sounds perfect again. And it's not too loud, it's like perfect. It's like just right. It's not like obnoxiously loud like a straight pipe, because this car has 4 resonators, so it's two exhaust lines that come out, and then it goes to 2 resonators, so there's 4 total, 2 on each side. And the resonators, those aren't that restrictive, because all it is just like, it just improves the sound. But a muffler is extremely restrictive. Like, I don't know why people would get a muffler, But in terms of, if you want to go extra, you can get a mid pipe and delete 2 of the resonators, and then have 2 total resonators instead of 4. that'll be even better. But yeah, I think those other exhausts, catback exhaust, is unnecessary. This is definitely the, like, you can feel the performance. Again, it was 260 with tax, it was 280. So I get about 400 miles to a tank. Trip A is my gas trip. Let's see. B is my oil. That's how many miles I've driven on the oil and gas. And I reset the trip A every time I fill up. That's how I know how long I've been driving on the gas. Gives me an idea what my miles per gallon is and what my range is for my car. Should be able to get about 400 because I have 300 plus 100 more. Should be able to get 420 to a tank. It's pretty good. On premium. Again, please like and subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. It'll help me make content in the future. I have a lot of videos coming up. It's all different, lots of different ideas. Tool videos, car videos, motorcycle videos, maybe, and some mountain bike videos, and home renovation, all sorts of stuff. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Peace out.